Hey all, welcome back to another episode of Travel with Carter. Here I am in gorgeous Grenada, and let me show you what 10 USD gets you here. So first off, let's break down the currency. So 10 USD equals 26 East Caribbean dollars. So here we go, that's 20. There you go. This is 5. And the $1 coin. So again, very similar to Canadian currency, as it is another Commonwealth nation. So they got the beautiful colored bills, and yeah, easy to work with. So for 26 East Caribbean dollars, let's see what I was able to get. Enjoy. One of the most popular drinks is, again, a rum punch. So I thought I'd put on the same shirt, same outfit as I did for Barbados, but a little bit different here, but roughly the same idea. Again, a really nice local dark rum, some orange juice, pineapple juice, nutmeg, and a little bit of bitters, and some grenadine. Cheers. No, that's really nice. It's sweet. It's got a lot of flavor. And yeah, average price would be somewhere in the neighborhood of $5 US for one of these. So again, the price is about 2.6 East Caribbean dollars equals 1 USD. So yeah, this is somewhere in the neighborhood of about 5 USD when you do the math. Cheers. On a beautiful beach here in Kingstown, St. Vincent, and enjoying my holiday so far, and of course got a little thirsty and said, hey, what can I do with $10 US? Why not have one of their local beers? So this is called Hyrune. This is the most popular beer in St. Vincent. Cheers. And it's ice cold and really easy drinking. So that goes for about 6 Eastern Caribbean dollars in most restaurants and bars. So that works out to just over $2 US. So I still got a fair ways to go. All right, so having a local Vincentian or Vinci dish. This is called Callaloo Soup, and this is something that a lot of families make. It's one of those hearty meals. I'm really enjoying it. So I did look it up, but the callaloo is a type of root vegetable, and basically they cut off the leafy tops, leafy greens, blend those up with some sort of meat. So it's kind of work with what you have, either fish or pork or salt beef. So lots of different variations with it, and yeah, generally kind of make a big pot and serve up the whole family kind of thing. So this is yeah, nice bowl. I'm enjoying it here. I'll zoom in on it. So lots of rich flavors. I'm sure it's been stewing for a while. Yeah, really nice dish. I would recommend it for sure. Callaloo Soup in St. Vincent. Hey all, sorry to pause the video right here, but just want to remind you to please hit that subscribe button down below. Unfortunately, only about 10% of all the people watching are subscribed. So again, that'd be a big help to me. If you could hit that button down below, tell your friends, tell your family, and I can continue work on my goal to be the first person with type 1 diabetes to go to every single country in the world. Now, that being said, it's not only for me. There is something in it for you as well. So every time my subscriber totals double, I will be giving out a prize. So I gave one out at 500, gave one out at 1,000. I cannot wait to give one out at 2,000. So that could be you. And whatever country I'm in at the time, when it rolls over to 2,000 subscribers, I will be giving out a nice little gift pack, and I'll ship it to the lucky winner. So that could be you. Please hit that subscribe button down below and stay golden all. Thanks for the support. sometimes there's nothing better than a tropical rainstorm.
And crab and callaloo. Got some dumpling.
Oh,
you know,
man. Yeah, there
some
you go.
ground provisioning and some yams and stuff. You
Beautiful.
know?
That's a hearty soup. Cheers, man. These beautiful almond trees growing right by the waterfront here. Zoom in on the almonds. So you got Young Island right across the way there, and you got the taxi heading back and forth here. It's about a 1-minute taxi boat ride. Just saw the crab soup, and there's some of the guys running around there now, some of the little crabs. So yeah, they're plentiful all along the coastline here. They're hard to film, let alone apparently they're easier to catch from what I've been told, but yeah, a little tricky to film. But here you guys got it both ways, the living guys running around, and then the finished product in the Callaloo Soup. Hey, all right, something I learned here. So Hyrune is the popular beer here in St. Vincent, but it means home of the blessed. So the indigenous people initially called the island Hyrune, and it wasn't changed to St. Vincent until Christopher Columbus changed it many years later. So I love that name, and I would agree, this is the home of the blessed. Cheers. Hey, thanks so much for tuning into another episode of Travel with Carter. Really appreciate all the support I've been receiving. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that subscribe button down below if you do really like what you're watching, and if you could share with your friends and family, that would help also. Tune in next week as we go to a new country. Can't tell you where just yet, but video will be released next week. Stay golden all.